Western airlines struggle due to Russian sanctions. The ban on flying over Russian airspace has increased fuel costs for Canadian and European airlines, leading to higher ticket prices. Airlines have had to reroute flights over longer routes to reach Asia and the Middle East. Air Canada's ticket prices have increased by up to 41% from January 2019 to January 2023. The route adjustments have raised prices for consumers and put the banned airlines at a competitive disadvantage. Air Canada's flights to the Pacific accounted for over 14% of the company's total revenue in 2019. China's Q1 industrial profits dropped more than expected. China's industrial profits fell 21.4% in Q1 due to sluggish domestic and foreign demand, especially in the auto and real estate industries. The weakened industry is a highlight of China's uneven economic recovery this year, with production still lagging behind services and tourism. Although GDP grew 4.5% in Q1, beating expectations, analysts remain optimistic that the growth momentum can be sustained. South Korean President Yoon meets Tesla's Elon Musk. South Korean President Yoon Suk-yeol met with Tesla CEO Elon Musk in Washington to encourage investment in South Korea. Yoon emphasized the country's high-skilled labor and advanced robotics technology, pledging support for Tesla's investment decision. Musk expressed interest in visiting South Korea and confirmed that it is one of the leading candidates for Tesla's gigafactories. Earlier, Yoon had taken steps to encourage investment and minimize risk to support Tesla's investment in South Korea. Currently, Tesla is planning to build a new factory in Mexico and is considering both Canada and Indonesia as potential locations. Volkswagen appears ready for its advantage in the electric vehicle industry. Volkswagen plans to electrify its entire fleet by 2030 and achieve carbon neutrality by 2050. They will invest €1 billion in China for EV development and supply, and receive up to $13 billion annually from Canada for an EV battery plant in Ontario. They aim to have 20% of their cars sold by 2025 to be electric and invest €180 billion to strengthen their position in the EV market. Volkswagen focuses on the ID line of EVs, with new models coming in 2023. They plan to increase their North American market share from 4% to 10% by 2030. Gold prices move slightly ahead of U.S. GDP. Gold prices held steady on Thursday due to high safe haven demand. Spot gold rose 0.1% to $1,990.01 an ounce, and gold futures rose 0.2% to $1,999.85 an ounce. All eyes are on the U.S. first quarter GDP data and the Fed's preferred inflation gauge due later in the day. The central bank is widely expected to hike interest rates by 25 basis points in its upcoming meeting.